Hi there. So today I'm going to be talking about this, and it just looks like a normal brass pull, but really what this is an extender for your ceiling fans. So if you want a ceiling fan in, let's say, a really high area like a stairwell or something like that, and you don't want it to be super high up against the ceiling, and of course a lot of fans don't come with a very long piece. This right here is what I'm talking about. This is like the normal length of a regular, ceiling fan. It's usually only like a foot long or whatever. Well, this is an extender for that. So it comes with all of the necessary holes that a normal fan installation would have. The bar usually connects at the top, and then the wires go down through, and this would be the one that you actually usually set the screw in to make sure that it doesn't come out at the bottom. But this pole is specially designed for that, and it comes in multiple colors. This is the gold one, so make sure that you choose the correct color. Like I said, this is the gold, and I am really impressed with the thickness of this thing and the strength of it. It is not a weak piece of metal. So super sturdy. That you can see is got some really nice thick wall on that. And the other thing that's nice is it does come with the wires to help you extend. Now, the only thing I can say is the wires only stick past about maybe 3 inches. So you can see there and there. So my suggestion would be to put the wire through whenever you're working on it. Do your connections on one end, maybe at the top. Get all your connections and stuff in, and then, usually there's lots of wires that you stuff up in anyway, so, use that. Now, if you're not good with electricity, you're going to have somebody who understands electricity and how to connect wires and stuff like that. So, there is that. But then my suggestion would be stuff it down in as far as you can go so that you can work on the other end with a lot of room. And then, of course, your connections will be down inside the pole, and, that'll be nice and safe. But neat idea, and again, I can't stress enough how thick and heavy duty this pole is. So check it out. It'll definitely work for the scenario that you're looking for. There is different lengths in different colors, so make sure you choose the one that works best for you. Of course, measure your scenario. So check it out.